In recent years, many people in Kenya have started looking for new ways to earn money online. Life is becoming more expensive, and many young people are searching for better opportunities beyond traditional jobs. At the same time, technology has been growing very fast. One of the biggest changes in the world today is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence simply means machines and software that can think, learn, and perform tasks like humans. What is interesting is that you do not need to be a computer expert to use artificial intelligence. Today, even a beginner with a smartphone or a laptop can use these tools to earn money online. Artificial intelligence has opened many doors. In the past, creating content, designing graphics, or writing long articles required a lot of time and skill. Today, artificial intelligence tools can help you do these tasks faster and better. This means you can work more efficiently and even handle more clients. For someone in Kenya, this is a big advantage because you can compete globally and earn in dollars while living locally. When you earn in dollars and spend in Kenyan shillings, your income becomes more powerful. One of the easiest ways to start making money with artificial intelligence is through freelancing. Freelancing simply means offering services online to clients from different parts of the world. Many businesses are looking for people who can help them create content, manage social media, design graphics, and even edit videos. With artificial intelligence, you can do all these things even if you are just starting. For example, you can use artificial intelligence writing tools to create blog posts, product descriptions, and scripts for videos. You can then sell these services on freelancing platforms. Some beginners start earning as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings per week, but with time and experience, this can grow to over 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Another powerful way to make money is by creating and selling digital products. A digital product is something you create once and sell many times. Examples include electronic books, templates, online courses, and printable materials. Artificial intelligence can help you create these products quickly. For example, you can write an electronic book about saving money in Kenya, starting a small business, or farming. Once you finish, you can sell it online and earn money every time someone buys it. The good thing about digital products is that they can become a source of passive income. This means you continue earning even when you are not actively working. Content creation is also a very popular way to earn money using artificial intelligence. Many Kenyans are now starting YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, and blogs. Artificial intelligence can help you generate ideas, write scripts, create thumbnails, and even produce voiceovers. For example, you can create videos about business ideas in Kenya, money tips, or trending news. Once your channel grows, you can earn through advertisements, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Some content creators in Kenya are now earning over 200,000 Kenyan shillings per month through these methods. Artificial intelligence can also help you start a small online business. For example, you can use it to run an online shop where you sell products without holding stock. This is known as dropshipping. Artificial intelligence tools can help you find trending products, write product descriptions, and even respond to customer messages. You can also use artificial intelligence to manage your marketing campaigns, making it easier to reach more customers. Another opportunity that many people overlook is offering automation services to businesses. Many small businesses in Kenya still handle tasks manually. This includes replying to customers, sending emails, and managing orders. With artificial intelligence, you can help these businesses automate their work. For example, you can create chatbots that respond to customer questions on WhatsApp or social media. You can also set up systems that automatically send messages to customers. Businesses are willing to pay good money for these services because they save time and increase efficiency. A simple automation project can earn you between 10,000 and 50,000 Kenyan shillings. There are also simple online jobs where you help train artificial intelligence systems. These jobs do not require advanced skills. You may be asked to label images, transcribe audio, or review responses generated by artificial intelligence. These tasks may seem small, but they are very important for improving artificial intelligence systems. Many companies pay people around the world to do this work. In Kenya, this can be a good way to start earning online, especially if you are new to digital work. As you explore these opportunities, it is important to understand that artificial intelligence is just a tool. It does not replace effort, creativity, or consistency. Many people make the mistake of thinking they can earn money instantly without putting in work. The truth is that success takes time. You need to learn, practice, and improve your skills. Artificial intelligence will make your work easier, but you still need to guide it and ensure the results are high quality. Another important thing to remember is to build trust with your clients or audience. If you are freelancing, always deliver quality work on time. If you are creating content, focus on providing value to your viewers or readers. When people trust you, they are more likely to work with you again or recommend you to others. This is how you grow your income over time. It is also important to keep learning. Technology is always changing, and new artificial intelligence tools are being introduced regularly. What works today may change in the future. By staying updated and learning new skills, you can stay ahead of others. You can watch tutorials, read articles, and practice using different tools. Over time, you will become more confident and skilled. One of the biggest advantages of using artificial intelligence in Kenya is the low cost of starting. You do not need a lot of money to begin. Many tools offer free versions that are enough for beginners. As you start earning, you can invest in better tools to improve your work. Even with a budget of less than 5,000 Kenyan shillings, you can start your journey. Working online also gives you flexibility. You can work from home, a cyber cafe, or even your phone. You can choose your working hours and decide how much you want to earn. This is especially helpful for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for extra income. It allows you to balance your time while still making money. However, you should also be careful of scams. Many people online promise quick money or easy success. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always do your research before joining any platform or paying for any service. Focus on building real skills and offering real value. As more businesses move online, the demand for artificial intelligence skills will continue to grow. This means the opportunities available today will likely increase in the future. Those who start early will have an advantage. By learning how to use artificial intelligence now, you are preparing yourself for the future of work. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can help you make money online in Kenya. Whether you choose freelancing, content creation, digital products, or automation services, there are many paths you can take. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and keep improving. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start with what you have, learn as you go, and build your income step by step. Over time, you can turn these opportunities into a stable and rewarding source of income.